Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka nangri minggen achik dol Dawa ke Sorkar pedeng ban Phah Tohkit ha ke National Investigation Agency yaki Mosque pedan habrok we Rilum Garo. Ha ke jing kram bilap thai khubor ha kalai poetruk leber ara cara pun riu. Unang ilam ka nangri minggen achik dol le thu ba kum ken hun Dawa ke Sorkar ban penlong ke jing Tohkit ke benya. Halo ke jing rung tu jang minder nakri Bangladesh ban ke jing don jang minder ban penmi yaki jing kan at ban kendang mardor iki besyong basak bian hagi jaka Rilum Garo banyadai ko hak long try jong kijai bin riu Garo kat kumi kendon jang sik schedule kriti sensyar keri India ban ai di kejing Tohkit syaka National Investigation Agency halo kejing syak penyap udel seng stangma ba badai bencu phasi bed iki briu keberan keti hakan kakam ban pensangi na mardor iki jing ti mau bian ha North West Garo Hills but ha South West Garo Hills ban pentrekam kendon bela penjari dekat National Green Tribunal.
Of the NAD representatives strongly condemn the atrocities by illegal Bangladeshi intruders. The Nangram government article expresses its strongest condemnation of the ongoing atrocities, intimidation and unlawful activities perpetrated by the illegal Bangladeshi intruders against the indigenous tribal communities of Garo Hills, Meghalaya. It has come to our notice with great concern that these illegal intruders have not only encroached upon the land and resources belonging to the indigenous people, but have also systematically attempted to disturb the peaceful coexistence of the communities by instigating communal tension. Such deliberate acts of provocation, violence and fear-mongering are direct threat to the constitutional safeguards and the traditional rights of the scheduled tribes under the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. NAD firmly believes that the recent communal flares-ups are not spontaneous but also result of the calculated attempts by these intruders to destabilize the region and weaken the unity of the indigenous population. The silence and inactions of the concerned authorities in effectively addressing illegal infiltration and its consequences have further emboldened such elements. We are strongly condemn the unwarranted arrest and harassment of NGO leaders and innocent individuals who have been at the forefront of the protecting the rights, identity and the land of the indigenous people. These leaders have been unjustly targeted while raising legitimate concerns regarding illegal infiltration and its socio-economic and cultural impacts. In light of the above, Nangram government article NAD demands: number 1, a thorough and impartial investigation into the activities of the illegal Bangladeshi intruders and their role in inciting communal unrest. Number 2, immediate eviction drives against all illegal settlers occupying tribal lands in Garo Hills, which has gone orders from the GHADC. Number 3, strengthening of border security and strict enforcement of laws to prevent further illegal infiltration. Number 4, protection of the constitutional and customary rights of the indigenous tribal communities under the 6th schedule. Number 5, for NIA investigation into the murder of late Dilseng M. Sangma. Number 6, the POCSO cases committed by the illegal Bangladeshis in Chibanang and the gang rape cases in Chibanang area where the girl was raped continuously by 5 illegal Bangladeshis intruders whole night, and later the girl was paraded naked in the Chibanang area in the next morning. Number 7, for NIA investigation in all the mosques of Garo Hills. Number 8, to stop the illegal stone quarry in the north, west Garo Hills and south West Garo Hills and NGT implementation. Number 9. Ex gratia to both wife and the mother of late Rilum M. Sama, who died protecting the environment. Number 10. Mothers of the late Rilum M. Sama must be hanged to death. NED retaliates that the indigenous people of Garo Hills have always upheld peace, harmony and lawful conduct. However, any continued provocation, injustice and suppression of the rightful voices will only deepen unrest and mistrust among the people. We call upon the state government, central government and all responsible authorities to act decisively and uphold justice, ensuring that the rights and the dignity of the indigenous communities are not compromised. NED stands firm in its commitment to safeguard the land, identity and the future of the Aceh people. And last not the least, I like to say a big thank you to all the communities of Meghalaya, especially to Kasi, Jantia and Garo people who supported us tirelessly and with a good and a loving heart. They have been with us in protesting against the ST certificate mandatory in a democratic process. We once again like to thank and very grateful to all the communities, especially HYC and JYC President and Secretary, who have been with us together all throughout the protest through the democratic process. Since the leaders are being threatened by the state government, so we are not able to gather to conduct or to organize the meeting, and we as a public organizing whole of Garo Hills to demand the release of the arrest NGOs leaders. We are experiencing quite a peaceful environment in our areas, and right now we have not seen any kind of information or the activities that the public or the NGO leaders are being conducting illegal or illegal activities. Credit good for nothing. Actually, what we want. Actually, we as NGO leaders who protested regarding this STA certificate mandatory for the upcoming JCDC election, we don't want to take as credit as it a reward, but we feel that passing this bill is a really successful one. We can distinguish them as intruders, illegal infiltration, because at the early years we have seen the areas are being empty, vacant and barren. But right now, within the decades and 2 decades time, the area was full of illegal immigrants. These people, we call them the illegal immigrants or Bangladeshis immigrants. Right now, we have inquired to some agencies that whether this FIR has been registered or not, but till then we have not got any registered information of this case. And I don't know, it is a really individual matter, but I think it is a matter of concern about the indigenous peoples, right? As we are fighting against this ST certificate mandatory. During this process, we have gone to the New Delhi at the Jantar Mantar to protest against the ST certificate mandatory and the illegal immigrants. During this process, they have played a very wrong way, that someone who is working or fighting against the illegal immigrants in this connection. So it is not good from our own people playing with a person who is playing a vital role in fighting against the illegal immigrants. There are lots of mosques and masjids. See, in the recent incident that we have seen in William Nagar, Simsangre, the mob angry and they have attacked the masjid. During this attack, people have seen the lack munitions and the camouflage in the masjid compound. So the police department, they have given a statement that someone who is a police personnel had been taking as a rent in the masjid compound. Whether it is right or wrong of the police personnel, or is it from the Muslim community? We want to know exactly what and who really instigating these matters, like finding out live ammunitions and camouflage in the masjid areas. So it is not right to say that it's a police personnel's belongings. So as a public, we can see that it's a pre-plan to instigate or to play illegal activities in our region. Finding such live ammunitions in the masjid compound is not a good thing for and it is a matter of great concern for our area and the public. Because as soon as the public saw the materials like the live ammunitions and the camouflage in the masjid compound, we have our people in our area, they have informed the police personnel and they have come with the investigation team with the live videos. So they have seen the live ammunition 4 numbers and with the numbers of camouflage in the masjid compound. We have been protesting against the illegal immigrants and contesting in the HHDC election. Repeatedly we have protested and these people who belong to the Muslim communities, we can say the illegal immigrants from Bangladesh, they have provoked us by coming or entering Tura again and again, repeatedly after being protested by our people. That is the reason I think people or the mob got angry and they have vandalized even the mosque and the Muslim communities areas. When our people or the indigenous tribal people needs our right to preserve our rights, the Garo culture or Garo community traditions, they should be with us cooperating. In this juncture, they have not cooperated with us. Instead, they have threatened us like postering some international terrorists, ISIS, and they have pasted in some throughout town, and this way they have started provocation and our coexistence breaks down. Demanding regarding the late Hussein Sama's killing also, because what we can feel and see is that earlier these illegal immigrants, Bangladeshis, they have kidnapped this late Hussein Sama's younger sister into their residence. So within a day or night, our people, they have gone to the house of the illegal immigrants, Muslims' house. They went with good numbers of people and they have managed to take out the younger sister of late Hussein Sama. After bringing back the own sister, they have targeted the late Hussein Sama personally, and while they were going in a group, number of people were there with the 3 vehicles to protect or to prevent or to stop the illegal stone quarry mining. In that moment, these illegal immigrants people, they have targeted this late Hussein Sama and have killed on the spot. Clash between the Muslim and the Garos. Actually, the younger sister of late Hussein Sama was kidnapped and taken to the house of the Muslims to get, say, married or to rape, I don't know exactly. But after 1 or 2 days time, our people or the late Hussein Sama, young or called late Hussein Sama, they have gone with some people, few or big numbers of people. They have taken out the younger sister and they brought her back home. Then they have got a pre-plan to kill the late Hussein Sama, and they have done personally attack him and they have killed him on the spot. Otherwise, they could have killed many Garos on the spot while they were going to stop the stone illegal quarry. We are quite satisfied and we will say victory for Garo Hills, making the ST certificate mandatory for our people to contest in the HHDC election. Actually, right now we have not getting that clear statement that only the Garo people can contest election. Only it is mentioned the ST is what called the scheduled tribe. It is a great concern that we have discussed in the earlier that ST can be anyone from India, whether a Koch, Rava or Hajong or even Adivasis from the central India. So it is not a really good thing that making a ST only. We should actually mention in the bill like ST scheduled tribe and Garo community. That will be the best. Our opinion is.
Pidan dukan marbam, ndey. Compare, laka berid, kaba pidi harut surok, ni kabahe, kum ki restaurant, bat kiway, ni pishat roti, shat kiek, bat kiway, naka benta ka koit kakya, jongi pat ba, nong bam nong di. Pat ba pinyo ka jing shanya, naki, pidan kam bandon deka license, kaba paka, kabala itho daka an, kata, ka Food Safety and Standards Act, arajar henril, link back section, lai puwe, iwe. Kam de ka ba pinyo ka license, pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ko pi hap pan upload ru tegi kod kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong pi pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan ha ko office terekam jong u lani ka district medical and health officer habro ke district ke badan ha megalaya latno tang ha is khasihers pila benlet bed siya ka office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra siya pi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya bat balakershan daga food safety and standards authority of India.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.